Hi everyone, another exciting day for me today. My free capsules have arrived from when I bought my Vertuo machine. You may remember when I did my unboxing and review of this Nespresso Vertuo Plus machine, I said that I got a deal where I paid £75 for the machine, which was £104 off. But on top of that, I got 100 free capsules from Nespresso. This deal's available in store now for you. I got it from Curry's, so if you want to get the same machine with the same offer, then you can. But I just thought I'd show you what capsules you actually get from Nespresso for free, the 100 that come with it, because it can be quite difficult on the website to find the page that tells you which capsules you get, and you don't get to choose. It's a pre-selected selection from Nespresso. So I just thought I'd just show you, unbox the package and show you what capsules you get. Let's try and get in. Right. So firstly, we've got this little box, because this is also part of the offer. It says you can get 2 months of the coffee subscription from Nespresso for free. And the way that works is the first month is free, and that's worth £25. Then if you carry it on the 6th month, you also get another month free. So it's another free £25. This is interesting. They've sent me a recycle bag with this one, and that's quite interesting because I've just ordered one of these, and I'm going to be doing a video about the recycling policy of Nespresso and how it all works, as the capsules are recyclable. So it's good that they've sent me one of them. That means I can do the other video I wanted to do as well. So let's have a look what we've got here. As we can see, we've got the double espresso scuro. Sorry, my pronunciation isn't great on these, but I'm not Italian. So double espresso scuro, you get 10 of those, 10 Stormio capsules, 10 Giorino capsules, 10 decaffeinato, 10 Altisio, 10 Fortado. I really like those, they're one of my favourite ones of the selection box that they sent with the machine. 10 Molozio, 10 Hazelino, 10 Colombia, and 10 Alfarazio or Aflorazio. So I thought it might be a good idea actually just to open up one of the boxes, just so we can show you what the capsules look like as well, just in case you've never seen them before. My wife wants to try this Colombia capsule, so I'll just open this box up and you can see what they look like, the capsules. So if you've had an original machine, you'll notice that that's a lot bigger than the original capsules. And you might also notice this barcode system. We've pointed that out on a lot of our videos, but in case this is the only one you're going to watch, then this is the barcode system, which reads what size cup it should be. And they range all the way from a 40ml Nespresso up to a 414ml Alto cup. And there's 5 different cup sizes you can choose from. So that's what they look like. Nice bit of design on the side as well, Colombia. So there's your 100 capsules you get if you order the Vertuo machine. So they've all arrived. It wasn't an easy process to get them online. I had to go on, I had to upload my receipt, but it had like an auto read of the receipt. So you've got to put a really clear image on, and it reads the receipt to make sure it's legitimate that you've bought it, and then they send you your capsules out for free. So it wasn't difficult, but it was, you have to make sure you get a really clear image. What about if you buy this original machine though? This is an older one, so it looks slightly different now. I think they've cut this section away on the original machine, but there's a few different versions. Well, these are the capsules that you get if you order the original machine. I just thought I'd print that off, because like I say, the page is pretty hard to find on the Nespresso site. So you get 10 Arpeggio, this is what you should expect to get, 10 Ristretto, 10 Fetissio Lungo, 10 Roma, 10 Vivalto Lungo, 10 Casar, 10 Arpeggio Decaf, 10 Levanto, 10 Lenizio Lungo, and 10 Master Origin Colombia. They're a bit easier to pronounce. Like I said, the page was quite hard to find on the website, so I just thought you might want to know exactly what you're going to get if you go for this deal. Don't forget, if you like the video, please like it so that it boosts it up and other people can watch it. And subscribe as well. If you like to, hit the notification button we've got lots of Nespresso videos that you can go and watch. I'll link to a couple of those in a minute. And also don't forget we'll be doing a video soon about the recycling policy of Nespresso. So thanks for watching.